forward up to heaven, alright. I can't wait till the year 2005. Open up your ears, you'll be doing just fine. Don't wait till the year 2005. Please tell me your problems, you're such a sweet thing. What could they be? Try talking to Jesus, he'll do you a favor, yeah, he'll set you free. I'm